What if some of the foods you eat every day are quietly killing you? Hey everyone, Dr. B here. Did you know that inflammation fueled by certain dietary choices is linked to 3 of the top 5 leading causes of death worldwide? So let's talk about inflammation, shall we? You know, that silent troublemaker behind a whole host of health issues? We're diving deep into the top dietary culprits quietly wreaking havoc in your body. We're not just giving you a list. We're breaking down the why, the how, and most importantly, what you can do about it. So let's look at the dirty dozen. Get ready to take control of your health, one bite at a time. We're starting strong with refined carbohydrates. These are the foods that have been processed to remove the beneficial bran and germ, leaving behind the starchy remains. This process strips away most of the vitamins and minerals, making them less nutritious. Think white bread, pastries, that sugary drink you're craving. These are all examples of refined carbs that can wreak havoc on your body. Because these foods have been stripped of the good components, they leave you with a quick sugar rush and an even quicker crash. When you consume them, your blood sugar levels spike rapidly, giving you a burst of energy. But this energy is short-lived. This roller coaster messes with your blood sugar, forcing your body to pump out more insulin, which, you guessed it, increases inflammation. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for your body to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Swap those refined carbs for whole grains like quinoa or steel-cut oats. Whole grains are packed with fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, providing you with a steady source of energy. They'll give you steady energy and actually fight inflammation. Whole grains also contain essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium, which are crucial for your overall health. And please, ditch the sugary drinks. These beverages are loaded with added sugars that can lead to weight gain, tooth decay, and an increased risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. They're like pouring sugar directly into your bloodstream. Not cool. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or drinks with no added sugars. Your body will thank you for making the healthier choice. Look, I'm not here to judge your happy hour, but excessive alcohol? That's a problem. It throws your gut bacteria out of whack, stresses your liver, and weakens your immune system. All of this contributes to, you guessed it, inflammation throughout your body. Even red wine, often touted for its antioxidants, can do more harm than good in excess. Remember, moderation is key. I know, fried foods are delicious. But they're loaded with advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, those nasty compounds formed during high-heat cooking. AGEs trigger oxidative stress, a major culprit behind inflammation. And don't even get me started on the unhealthy oils often used for frying. Indulge sparingly and opt for baked or grilled options whenever possible. Your body will thank you. Ultra-processed foods, the fake food, Fiasco. Processed foods are like the Frankenstein of the food world, pumped full of artificial ingredients, preservatives, and flavors. These foods are designed to be convenient and tasty, but at what cost? The long list of unpronounceable ingredients often hides a cocktail of chemicals that our bodies are not equipped to handle. They might last forever on a shelf, but they wreak havoc on your gut and immune system. The preservatives and artificial colors can cause inflammation and other health issues over time. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a wound that needs stitches. It might look okay on the surface, but the damage is still there. These additives also disrupt your gut bacteria balance, leading to, you guessed it, more inflammation. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in your overall health. When this delicate balance is disturbed, it can lead to digestive issues, weakened immunity, and even mental health problems. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are packed with nutrients that your body recognizes and knows how to use. These foods support your gut health, boost your immune system, and provide sustained energy throughout the day. Your body will know the difference. When you fuel it with real, wholesome foods, you'll notice improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. It's a simple change that can make a world of difference in your health. Trans fats. An inflammation ninja. Trans fats are like the sneaky villains of the fat world. They increase bad cholesterol, lower good cholesterol, and promote inflammation. They hide in margarine, processed baked goods, and some fried foods. Always check your labels and avoid these artery-clogging culprits. Sugar substitutes. Are they too good to be true? Artificial sweeteners might sound like a good idea, especially if you're trying to cut down on sugar intake or manage your weight. They promise the sweetness of sugar without the calories, making them an attractive option for many. However, these substitutes come with their own set of problems that are often overlooked. Take aspartame, for example. This common sugar substitute has been linked to a variety of health issues. Some people report experiencing headaches and mood swings after consuming products containing aspartame. But the concerns don't stop there. Research has also suggested that aspartame can disrupt the gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in our overall health. And let's not forget the origins of aspartame. It was developed by Monsanto, the same company that brought us controversial products like cancer-causing pesticides. Sounds tasty, right? Knowing this, it's hard not to question the safety and long-term effects of consuming aspartame. Does this make you think twice about reaching for that diet soda? These substitutes might be 0 calorie, but they're not zero consequences for your health. While they may help you cut down on sugar, the potential side effects and long-term health risks are something to seriously consider. It's essential to stay informed and make choices that truly benefit your well-being. So next time you reach for that sugar substitute, remember, it might be too good to be true. We're talking hot dogs, sausages, deli meats. Those processed meats we all love to indulge in. The problem? They're packed with nitrates, preservatives, and sodium, all of which contribute to inflammation. High consumption has even been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers. Choose fresh, unprocessed protein sources whenever possible. Don't be fooled by flashy packaging and health claims. Many cereals are loaded with refined grains and added sugars. Unlike their whole grain counterparts, these refined grains lack fiber and nutrients, leading to blood sugar spikes and inflammation. Always read the labels and choose whole grain options. High fructose corn syrup, or HFCS, is a major contributor to inflammation. Unlike regular sugar, HFCS bypasses a key metabolic regulator, specifically PFK2, leading to increased fat production and inflammation. It only exists because it's cheap and shelf-stable, but it's terrible for your health. So much so that the Corn Refiners Association got fined for deceptive advertising by claiming it was nutritionally the same as sugar. When you're worse than table sugar, that's bad. Avoid it like the plague. Margarine was once marketed as a healthier alternative to butter, but unfortunately, it's full of trans fats and artificial ingredients. These unhealthy fats increase inflammation and oxidative stress, making margarine a poor choice for your heart and overall health. So, opt for natural alternatives like grass-fed butter or tallow. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential, the typical Western diet overloads us with them. Unfortunately, this throws off the balance with omega-3s. The resulting imbalance fuels inflammation throughout the body. Increase your intake of omega-3 rich foods like salmon, chia seeds, and flax seeds to restore the balance. Cheaply processed vegetable oils like soybean and corn oil are high in omega-6 fatty acids and easily oxidize during cooking, releasing harmful free radicals. These free radicals contribute to inflammation and oxidative stress. Switch to healthier options like avocado oil or coconut oil for cooking. So, there you have it. The dirty dozen foods fueling inflammation in your body. Which of these surprised you the most? Are you ready to ditch them and prioritize your health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our video. Are healthy foods sabotaging your health and weight loss? For even more eye-opening insights, let's tackle inflammation together, one step at a time.